Hey guys, welcome to 4K Blu-ray. Today I'm going to show you the steelbook of Mission Impossible from Germany. So let's open here so I can show you what comes inside. This is a tin case. So let's take a look here. So this is the steelbook. Very nice, very fancy. Also comes with a t-shirt and a lighter. Yeah, doesn't work. Really nice. Says Mission Impossible there. Here's the t-shirt. It's size large. Okay, so let's see the steelbook. The sticker is removable. Let's remove it. Okay. We still have some glue there. So the best way to remove it is using just a tape. Yep, just like magic, see? Perfect. 2 discs, 1 Blu-ray, 1 DVD. Here's the code for your digital copy. So once again, DVD, region 2, and the Blu-ray, region 3. And voila! No more sticker. For audio, it comes with English, Dolby True HD 7.1, German, Dolby True HD 7.1, and Japanese, Dolby Digital 5.1. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video and see you next time.